Hi, this is John from All Touch Tablet, and this is an overview of the Samsung Galaxy Note. It's a hybrid between a tablet and a smartphone, launched today at IFA Berlin. Why do I say it's a hybrid? Because it features 5.3-inch screen. It's not really a tablet because it's too small. It's not really a smartphone because it's too big. Samsung did some interesting things with it. It added a stylus, one for taking notes, for a to-do list, for a calendar. It doesn't use too many apps. You have 2 or 3 apps from Samsung, but Samsung also releases SDK, so developers could develop apps that take care of the stylus. Let's see the main highlights of the Samsung Galaxy Note. As I said before, the 5.3-inch screen, it's a Super AMOLED, and it has the highest resolution for this kind of diagonal, 1280 by 800 pixels. It's very fine. I expect it to be better than the iPhone 4, for example, than the Retina display. Then there's the 1.4 GHz dual-core CPU, same as the Samsung Galaxy Tab 7x7. Which provides a lot of power, but we don't know exactly the make of the processor. Probably it's Samsung. Then there's S Pen. It's the name Samsung gave to its stylus for taking notes. It docks in a special compartment, and you should take it from the bottom, so you can't lose it. That's a good thing. Then there's a huge battery, 2500 milliamps. It's huge for a smartphone, but it's pretty small for a tablet. Samsung didn't say anything about autonomy or battery life, but I hope it gets you to the day with some heavy usage. We'll have to review the final unit and see exactly how powerful it is. And speaking about thickness, the metal case has a 9.65 mm thick point. It's not the slimmest if you compare it to a tablet, but it's comparable to most super smartphones you find on market today. And it's a 185 grams light. It's really in the smartphone category, so it's not a tablet per se. Here's a better picture to see how the stylus docks to the bottom of the smartphone. And speaking about software, you have Android 2.3 Gingerbread on board. There's no honeycomb. Samsung didn't say anything about an update. I suspect the problem lies in the resolution of the screen. That's not really suitable for honeycomb for such a small screen display. That's why Samsung opted for the gingerbread version. On top you have the already famous touch with custom user interface. It's enough for most users. It offers some customization options, some widgets from Samsung, and a few apps that you normally don't find in an Android smartphone. And speaking about stylus enabled apps, there are 2 at this point. The S Planner, it's a calendar and to-do list. You can annotate and take notes to some entries in the calendar, and also you can handwrite your to-do list, but handwriting recognition is not supported, so it's not transformable automatically to text. It's just a picture with your sketches. Then there's the S Memo. It's only a note-taking app, so you can draw, take some sketches, write some text, but also is not searchable. It can be transformed to text. We don't know anything about the pricing and availability of the Samsung Galaxy Note. Samsung hopes to bring it to market pretty soon, but I doubt it will be at the end of this year. I'm also curious about pricing because this is an important matter. Hope Samsung doesn't ask for it $600–700. It should be more appropriate to $200 with a subsidy, or $300–400–500 without one. If you want to read more about the Samsung Galaxy Note, take a look to alltouchtablet.com. We have a comprehensive preview there, and soon to come review once we get our hands on one. Thank you.